Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Microplastics found in human ovaries raising fertility concerns researchers. A new study has found microplastics have been detected for the first time in human ovary follicular fluid, raising serious concerns about the potential impact of plastic pollution on women's reproductive health. The peer-reviewed study, published in Ecotoxicology and Environmental Safety, examined 18 women undergoing assisted reproductive treatment at a fertility clinic in Salerno, Italy. Microplastics were found in the follicular fluid of 14 of them. Follicular fluid plays a vital role in egg development, providing key nutrients and biochemical signals. Contamination with microplastics in this delicate environment could affect fertility, hormonal balance, and overall reproductive function. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles formed by the degradation of larger plastics, are already known to pollute environments across the globe, from Mount Everest to the Mariana Trench. They have been found in food, water, and even inside the human body, including the bloodstream, lungs, and placenta. These particles often carry harmful chemicals such as bisphenol, phthalates, and PFAS, per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, which are linked to cancer, hormone disruption, neurotoxicity, and developmental issues. Researchers aim to investigate the presence of microplastics, MPs, in ovarian follicular fluid. To detect and analyze plastic particles smaller than 10 micrometers, the team employed scanning electron microscopy paired with energy dispersive X-ray detection. This high-resolution imaging allowed for precise identification and measurement of microplastic particles within the follicular fluid samples. Microplastics were found in 14 out of 18 follicular fluid samples, with an average concentration of 2,191 particles ml and a mean diameter of 4.48 m. A significant correlation was observed between microplastic levels and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, P and LT, 0.05, while weak, non-significant links were found with BMI, age, and estradiol. The study underscores the need for urgent research to better understand the levels of exposure that can trigger health effects and to develop strategies for reducing microplastic contamination. The findings are a major step toward finding out how microplastics impact the reproductive health of women, but are also very alarming, said Luigi Montano, a researcher at the University of Rome and study lead author.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.